Hello, creative people, and welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. I am so glad that you're here with me. My name is Caitlin, and today we are going to be making earrings that pay homage to my favorite animal, panda bears. I have loved panda bears since I was a little girl, and I thought it would be really fun to make little earrings that had panda bears on them so I can have my favorite animal with me all the time. In the past, we've made a keychain that had a penguin on it and another one that had a frog on it. Those were super fun projects, and those could be easily turned into earrings too if penguins or frogs are your favorite animal. But my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, actually has all kinds of little ceramic animals. So if panda bears aren't your favorite, or if you are just looking for a different animal, you can peruse their website. There's a link in the description box below for you, and you can take a look and find your favorite animal, and then find little crystals that complement whatever your favorite animal is, and then you can make your own. I also highly recommend this video. I was one where I partnered with my sponsor and filmed a video in their studio, and it is little ducky earrings, and those are some of my favorite too because they are just so stinking adorable. But today is all about those animals, and when you find whatever your favorite animal is on my sponsor's website, if you are a new customer, please be sure to check out this discount code that I've got. It's gonna be right here for you. And that discount code is for new customers only. And when you apply it at checkout, you're gonna get $5 off your purchase. And that's just a way for my sponsor to say thank you for checking them out and thank you for being a part of my crafting community. And one last thing before we jump in, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do, it shows me that you're loving my content, that you wanna hang out with me. And on today's episode, I would love it if you would comment below and tell me what your favorite animal is, and if you got the chance to make some earrings with your favorite animal on them, even better. Okay, let's jump into this craft today. Step 1. All right, today you are going to need some clippers and some round nose pliers. Then you're going to need some earring loops. You're gonna need your little ceramic panda bear. Isn't he just the cutest? Then you're gonna need a little glass flower here. I believe that these are Czech glass flowers. Then you're going to need 2 different types of bicones, this lighter green 4mm bicone and these smaller green 2mm bicones. Then you're going to need some wire. I chose this 24 gauge green wire because I thought that it matched the little vibe of giving our panda its own little forest to live on. And I have made this little earring as an example of what we are to follow. So you'll be making 2, but I'm only going to show you how to make the first one. Once you've gathered all your supplies and materials, meet me back here and we'll get started. Step 2. All right, the first thing that you are going to need is some wire. So we're gonna take some wire here. This should be plenty. Definitely don't need quite that much, but you know me, I like to be a little overly cautious. I hate running out of wire. And the first thing that we're going to do is put one of our small dark green 2mm bicones onto the wire. And we are going to push that all the way to the end, the middle point rather, here. And we are just going to squeeze that together a little bit so that that bead sits there at the bottom like that. Then what we are going to do is take the other 2 ends of our wire and we are going to put our larger 4mm lighter green bicone, and we are going to pass that through both wires. And if I didn't get mine quite even, if it's a little bit easier for you, you can always just come up here and cut off the extra on the one side and then they're even. That can be helpful sometimes. But we're gonna push this bead all the way down so that it's by its friend here at the bottom. And you might have to squeeze to get it to where it is close. And now we are going to do the same with our glass flower with the pointy bit going down, and you're gonna pass that through both parts of the wire. And we're gonna send that all the way down to hang out next to that bicone. Then it's time for our little panda bear, and you're gonna do the same, passing through both wire. Oh, isn't he so cute? Then to finish it off, our tiniest bicone, and once again through both sides of the wire. Step 3. Okay, now what we're going to do is make our little loop here at the top. So we are going to grab our round nose pliers and we're going to go a little ways down the pliers, right about here. And we are going to take our wire and we're going to move it backwards. And we're going to go around the pliers, just like so, creating a little bit of a loop. If I take my pliers out, you can see the wire loop there. Just gonna put those pliers back in. Now we're gonna take our wire and we're gonna wrap it around a couple of times. And about 3 should be sufficient, but you could do more if you wanted. But once we've wrapped that wire around a couple times, we're gonna come in with our clippers and we're gonna clip as close to the edge there. And then we're going to come back in with our pliers and we are just going to tuck those edges. That way those edges don't scratch you or whoever is wearing these earrings. Just a last little step to finish it off. Step 4. All right, and our last step, because our wire loop here is completely closed, we are actually going to open up the loop on our earrings. I know most of the time we open up the loop on our work and then put it on our earrings. So today's a little bit backwards, but we can't open that loop we made. So we're gonna open it up on our wire here. You're gonna slide that on and then close. And there you have it. And you're gonna repeat that whole process one more time for your second earring. And once you do, you have an adorable pair of panda friends to hang out with you. And there you go, in just a couple of minutes with some beads and wire, you have some adorable little friends to hang out with you. I just love the way that these guys turned out. They're so cute. It looks like they're sitting on little bamboo leaves, and I thought that that was really fun and adorable. I hope that you had as much fun as I did and think that these are just so cute. If you did, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way you can hang out with me all the time and join our crafting community. And don't forget to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and take advantage of that discount code to get $5 off. I hope that you have a very panda-filled week, and I will see you in the next one.